Yo! What's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna start breaking the E36. Let's get to it! Alright guys, I forgot to make a video about this, but I've shown how to take the front end apart on an E36 in my previous video. So if you want to know how that goes, I'll advise you to watch that video. I'm just gonna show you the time lapse from it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm having a bit of trouble removing the engine on the cab, on the convertible. I can't get the transmission off. The bolts are really tight. I've tried everything, using my foot, everything, it just doesn't come off. So we're gonna do it the other way. So I'm gonna remove the whole front end once again. And I'm actually gonna drop the subframe because, you know, on these cars, the oil pan sits behind the front subframe, and it's annoying to pull the engine like this. It's possible, but I'm just gonna take the easier route and drop the subframe. And I'm gonna take out the manifold first, because then it's a lot easier to get to all the stuff underneath, to disconnect everything. So yeah, we'll do it. Alright, so as you can see, the manifold is off. It's not too difficult, it's just yeah, a bunch of bolts that are not that easy to reach, and you have to take off the throttle body. Or you don't have to, but it's easier because otherwise you have to disconnect these coolant lines from the intake manifold, and then there's coolant everywhere. Yeah, you get where I'm going at. Also, like this, it's a lot easier to get to these two. These are the hoses for the cooling for the heater inside. With the manifold, it comes until here. It's difficult to remove. Like this, it's very easy. So I think from now on I'm always gonna take off the manifold first. Also on an M50 it's also easier than on M52, because on an M52 there's a lot more stuff around here. But yeah, so here you can see the fuel lines. And always when you take off the manifold, be sure to as you can see, prop or put something in in the intake holes, so that dirt doesn't get in there. Because I'm not going to take apart this engine, it's actually going to straight into my next car. So I picked up a new car just a few days ago. I'm gonna show you soon. It's right there. So yeah. Next up is taking off the front, and then yeah. Alright, I'm gonna show you what car I bought. Ta-da! It's an 87 E28 580i, obviously a BMW. I bought it from a friend. It's a bit rough on the outside. On camera it's pretty much okay, I guess, but you can see here it's a bit rusty. Yeah, some dents here and there. The paint isn't all that great. The front, the clear coat is coming loose. It had a little accident. My mate did this with drifting. Whoops. So as you can see, it's not in the best shape optically, but mechanically it's actually really good. The whole underside is renewed, it's polybushed all the way, and it's got BC Racing coilovers all around, the DS series, so that should be pretty good. The point of this car is it's going to be a track car slash drift car, so I'm going to M50 swap it, and later on it will be M52 swapped with maybe some extra sauce. So it's Delphine Grey metallic with shadow line. It's in my opinion one of the best color combos on E28, so I'm pumped. So some nice door cards, nothing special. The interior is standard for now. I'm going to gut it, put some bucket seats in, and it has a hydro. It's currently, I've taken it out because I still have to go to inspection, but yeah, I'm pumped to get started on this thing.